You are listening to Medical Backbone Radio, where we showcase the people and institutions who comprise Colorado's vital medical backbone. To learn more about us or to recommend a medical or health professional who merits our attention, please visit our website at medicalbackbone.com. That's medicalbackbone.com.
I'm Dean Rothbard, Managing Editor. Our guest this week on Medical Backbone Radio is Joseph Truscelli, who is the CEO of Colorado Springs-based Life Gift Cards. And Life Gift Cards really debuted nationally in 2012. And Joey, briefly explain to us what it is.
You bet. We actually, Dean, found a hole in the system, if you will, for people that don't have insurance, high deductible people that don't have their jobs, but also an opportunity for someone to give back for a special person, a loved one, a gift card, a healthcare gift card. And we started off with a mammogram card because, of course, breast cancer is dear to my heart, and co-founder Michelle, my fiance's heart, her mother was diagnosed with breast cancer. And I lost a really good friend who was a state trooper in Illinois, Sue Vogus, to breast cancer. Knew Sue for many years. She was very well respected. And one of the things she told me before she passed a year and a half ago was that if I would have had my mammogram, I'd be with you guys. So it inspired us to make a difference and got to work on a few television programs that really inspired us as well to take a step and a stab at giving back. And that one of them would be Extreme Makeover Home Edition on ABC. I got to work with Conrad Ricketts, one of the producers, and director Jack Cannon. And on set, I would go to the set. And in fact, because I was an IndyCar guy, I got to drive the bus a few times. And
That's
when they
fun.
said, move the bus, but I watched these families and what they did to make a difference. And I thought, wow, what can we do to make a difference with the card, the gift card, or giving somebody the ability to spend $250 to maybe save a life of a loved one?
The people who listen to this podcast, again, are largely in the healthcare field. And I think it's pretty clear if you're indigent or you don't even have to be indigent. You maybe you work for an employer who doesn't have health insurance, that this could be a great benefit to them. Tell me how it works from the other side of the coin. So I run a clinic. I'm a physician who's in private practice. Why does it behoove me to be affiliated or to accept the Life Gift Card?
Right. And that's a great question, Dean. My prior background having an electronic data interchange business in healthcare, which is where we send the claims electronically to insurance companies. One of the things that physicians are running into in hospitals now is self-pay problems, whereas people don't have the insurance and or the ability to pay. The self-pay business in our industry, we had over 2,000 insurance companies that we sent claims to for many years. And self-pay was probably number 30 on the list of those in order of payment. Now it's number 3. So that being said, doctors aren't getting their money. And
so
it's
basically, if they sign on to your program and you have a special, now we've given out publicly for somebody who wants to buy a gift card, but if I'm a physician, I operate a clinic, something like that, and I want to accept the card, do I have to sign up with you first?
Absolutely.
Okay. And how do I do that?
Great question, Dean. You can go to our website at www.lifegiftcards.com, and there's a provider sign-up link on the right-hand corner of the initial homepage.
And I get what? So I take this card, I sign up. Now, I have a negotiated rate with you. I say I'm going to do a mammogram, and you negotiate a specific rate with me.
Correct.
But the advantage to me as the provider is I know I'm going to get paid.
Absolutely.
And am I going to get paid roughly as fast as I would if you were an insurance company? Faster, slower? What's the timing?
Well, the nice thing is...
And what's the paperwork like?
The paperwork's very simple because you send a transaction to us electronically, just like you would to another insurance company. However, we're not insurance. So you send the claim form right through your practice management software system electronically, and it says Life Gift Cards on the payers list. So we're right there with Aetna, Cigna, you name it, United Healthcare, Blue Cross Blue Shield. You'll see Life Gift Cards. So they would select that payer ID, and the claim form would come right to us, and we'd pay immediately.
Now, in your business planning, or maybe already existing, I haven't been yet into a physician's office where I see a little brochure file that says buy a Life Gift Card for a friend or family member. Do you intend to market it that way as well through physician offices?
That is actually on the agenda for our marketing group is to get out to those provider offices and let them hand that out to their self-pay patients and their family members. So it's amazing, though, the exposure we're already getting. We just launched this past week, as you know, Dean. And the interesting thing is we have been on the phone since we launched. And with different corporations, they're getting involved, which is nice because, again, I'll give you an example. I talked to Menards out in the Midwest. They have 25,000 part-time employees that have no insurance.
So this is just a wonderful opportunity.
Absolutely.
And again, so initially, right out of the box, you began offering a card that will cover mammograms. Look forward, you are rolling out one that will do physicals.
Right.
What else is down? What else we're going to see in 2012 from you guys? Life gift cards.
Well, the nice thing is we have Dr. Harry Collins, who is a medical advisor to us. And
by the way, is he based in Colorado?
Actually, he's in Atlanta now.
Okay, we'll forgive him.
And
Go ahead.
well, he's from Colorado. There used to be an Army OBGYN doctor down at Fort Carson, in fact. And he and I have been good friends for many years. But, we're going to follow the same procedures that an office would normally follow with the SOAP, the SOAP, where they would observe and find out what the patient needs. There's one card right there, just a wellness exam. And that card will be available. And it's amazing to us how many employer groups are already saying, I want to give my part-time employees wellness cards as a gift or a benefit. And then from there, we're offering lab cards so they can go and get a cholesterol check. They can get PSA test. They could get blood sugar tests. So we're working with several labs around the country to enable those patients to take the card and get a lab test right at LabCorp. It's an amazing system.
Well, so we've been talking with the CEO of Life Gift Cards, which is based out of Colorado Springs, Joseph Joey Truscelli. Anybody who wants more information can go to two places. We will have information at medicalbackbone.com. That's medicalbackbone.com. And also from your own website, which is lifegiftcards.com. Any last thoughts, Joey?
Yeah, my mother called me Joseph when she was mad at me.
Okay.
So it's really Joey. I'm just giving you a hard time, Dina.
Well, Joseph, eat your peas.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
Anyway, thanks for being with me today on Medical Backbone Radio. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
On behalf of Dr. Ben Guillot, chairman of our board of advisors, and all of the other medical and health professionals who comprise our community's dynamic medical backbone, I'm Dean Rothbard. Thanks for listening.